Welcome back to IT Master. If you want to take your front-end development skills to the absolute next level, you are in the right place. Today, we are building an advanced SaaS interface module that combines the layout shifting power of the GSAP Flip plugin with dynamic SVG path morphing. When a user clicks our dark UI card, the layout seamlessly morphs into a full-screen application view, while a custom curved wave path flattens perfectly on the fly. Let's begin by building the solid foundation of our project with the HTML markup. We start with a standard document structured for an advanced SaaS interface. Inside the body, we create a main container to center our interactive elements. The core component is a div with the class of SaaSCard and an identifier of FlipCard, which will act as our trigger element. Inside this card, we structure a block for our content, featuring a prominent heading and a descriptive paragraph informing the user that clicking inside the module activates the layout transitions. Immediately below the text content, we position our custom curve divider. This divider houses our vector graphic containing the custom wave shape. We wrap this graphic carefully, ensuring the shapefill class is assigned to the drawing path to target it later. To wrap up our structure, we place a minimal footer section at the bottom of our page. Finally, we must link our external dependencies. We include the core GreenSock animation platform library via CDN, append the dedicated GSAP Flip plugin right below it, and reference our external JavaScript application file alongside our style sheet. Now, let's shape our interface beautifully using modern CSS styles. We perform a global reset on all elements to zero out default margins and paddings while enforcing standard border box sizing. The document body is configured using a clean system font stack, a white background, and a full viewport height container that perfectly centers our layout via flexbox layout rules. The container element ensures our layout stays confined within a crisp max width layout structure. For our main UI component, the SaaSCard, we apply a deep navy slate color background to establish a premium technical look. We set a minimum height, add spacious rounded corners, apply absolute positioning rules, hide all overflow components, and style the mouse cursor to interactive pointer mode. The internal text content uses safe z-indexing to float confidently above our background graphics, paired with highly readable font tracking and subtle slate gray text coloring. The curved divider at the bottom of our element uses absolute anchoring to attach seamlessly along the baseline, while the SVG graphics inside scale smoothly to fill the exact horizontal span. We fill this shape with a crisp white color that matches our page background, masking the bottom portion seamlessly. The bottom site footer is positioned subtly at the screen edge. When our application toggles into an active expanded state, we override the element's positioning to fixed mode, spanning the entire width and height of the screen while completely stripping away the border radius for an immersive full-screen view. We pad out our content container inside this expanded mode to realign with the global screen layout, while hiding our site footer cleanly using modern CSS state utility rules. With our structure and presentation complete, we can now orchestrate the interactive layout magic using JavaScript and the GreenSock toolkit. We first register the Flip plugin to unlock seamless layout state transformations. We grab a reference to our master card element along with the specific shapefill vector path inside the divider. To make our custom vector graphic move intelligently, we store our complex wave layout path string into a variable called original path. Right next to it, we construct a perfectly calculated string of flat coordinates named flat path, which acts as our target shape configuration for when the card fills the entire monitor. We bind a highly sensitive click listener directly to our card module. The moment a click event register occurs, the animation engine instantly snapshots the layout positioning geometry of our card. Once captured, we toggle our expanded style definition on the interface card, causing an instantaneous layout shift. We determine whether our element currently possesses the expanded styling state, allowing us to build logic around the layout direction. The engine triggers a fluid transition tracking from our captured state parameters down to our newly declared screen size dimensions using advanced mathematical easing curves and optimized execution speed parameters. Simultaneously, we launch a secondary tween directly targeting the attributes of our vector pathway. This animation maps the current coordinates to either our flat vector arrangement or our wave curve based on the current layout state, providing a flawlessly integrated interface morphing experience. That wraps up today's comprehensive technical walkthrough. You now have a production-ready, highly interactive SaaS element running on the ultra-performant GSAP Flip engine. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the IT Master channel for more advanced front-end development content, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Keep coding, keep optimizing, and I will see you in the very next breakdown.